Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to force turn off your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is go to the side and you want to hold down the power button and the volume down button right here. So let's do that now, and it's going to take a screenshot. Continue to hold this down. Now when this turns off, we can switch now to the volume up, the Bixby button, and the power button. So holding 3 buttons down now, and this is going to launch it into the recovery mode. So when I let go now, I should launch into the recovery mode. So you can see this is starting up now. And then once we're in the recovery mode, we can just use the side buttons and go up and down. So let's go and just see. And we can go to where it says power off. Alright, power off is right there. Press the power button. Now my phone is going to be turned off completely, and it won't turn back on until I turn it on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.